Alright, in this video we're going to talk about graphing slope-intercept form, so that is when it's y equals mx plus b. Go over a couple examples. Alright, so the first one we're going to talk about is y equals 2x plus 3. So one thing we've talked about is just being able to identify what the slope is. Now remember, m is your slope and b is your y-intercept, meaning where my line crosses my y-axis. Now in this problem here, you have to identify that the slope as an m is 2. Now remember, when they write slope as a whole number, 2, 3, anything like that, it's always 2 over 1. So it's saying you rise 2 and run 1. Now my b value is a positive 3. We have to know that in front of it. If it's positive 3, so it's plus 3 means positive 3. So now we're going to go on the graph. So first I started my origin, I count up 3. So that is my first point. I get that point because it says y-intercept is 3. Now since my slope is 2 over 1, it tells me to move up 2 and right 1. So 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. You can keep going, you can either go the other way, down 2 and left 1. You can see there is my line. That is my correct answer, right there. Alright, so the next one, y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. Once again, you have to identify what the slope is and the y-intercept. So slope is right there, negative 1/2. And b equals negative 2. Remember, since it's minus 2, you have to include that it's a negative 2 for the y-intercept. So, in the first one we did, slope was positive, which means if we read from the left to right, it increases. So we're looking at this example, we're going to plot our point at negative 2. So it's right there. Remember, this is y and that's x. So if I plot it up here, remember, this negative 1 means you go down 1 and right 2. So I go down 1 and right 2, down 1 and right 2. So you can see that it is decreasing as if I'm going downhill. So that's how you graph it. Make sure to keep in mind the negatives, the slope, and just follow your steps.